guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, JRodixTV. And yes guys, it's been a long time that we are not do any reaction video to my channel. So today I have time, so I'm going to react again another or our special Manipuri song, our favorite Manipuri song. Yes. So before we start guys, I just want to tell you, for those new to my channel again, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button guys, for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Guys, before we start, I just want to share this. I know some of you are new to my channel guys, so sorry. I know some of you are new to my channel and they don't know what is this kind of a music, a Manipur music. So Manipur music guys, it is a song from Manipur state in India. So I'm doing any reaction video from Manipur since 2 years, or since I don't know what year, the exact year, but some of my reaction video is from Manipur guys. So just check on my what's this, my playlist guys. There's a lot of Manipur music there. So today we're going to react another another Manipur song. And the song of this, the song of this, or the title of this song is NUJA or NUJA OIBI. Kokobi featuring Kukuha, Irom or Irom. Official YAOSHANG music video. So I remember YAOSHANG guys, if I'm not mistaken. YAOSHANG is like wow, I forgot. YAOSHANG, it is a Manipur, or it was a festival celebrated in Manipur for 5 days in spring. And it was started in full moon day on the month of Lambda. I don't know guys, I'm not sure, but I think this is the meaning of YAOSHANG. So it was celebrated in the month of February or March, or February to March. I really, correct me, okay? Correct me guys if I'm wrong, but I think that was the meaning of YAOSHANG, or YAOSHANG festival in Manipur guys. And the reason why they celebrate this, this is a holy, this is a holy festival. I'm not sure, but this is, because there's some of my friends in Manipur we're talking to in WhatsApp guys. She told me that YAOSHANG, it is a festival in Manipur, and the reason why they celebrate this because they mark this as, the beginning of spring. Yes, the beginning of spring. So so if I have mistake to tell you guys, or information guys, just correct me. Don't be angry because I'm not perfect guys. Okay, so at else, Manipur music video NUJA OIBI, a music video by Lemba Tongam, and the singer is Kokobi featuring Irom or Irom. Music BB. the guitar, Manitoy Laisram. Song composed Landernong. Lyrics Landernong. Okay. And the cast here are Karishma Kesham, Maxi Hesnam Lamyanba Sapam, Reshi Yomlembam. Okay? Alright, so that's just very long. So let's go to our music video. Let's go to the volume. NUJA OIBI.
Lagle yoragle lamtagi YAOSHANG NUJA OIBI na koi na ngai jarak pamikuto. Lagle yoragle lamtagi YAOSHANG kung haydo. NUJA OIBI na koi na kaurang na ngai jarak pamatamdo.
Oh, showing water. What a voice. Wow. Manipuri ladies.
Lakani ay ko'y suningol oy binanakta daisagi matsukayana NUJA OIBI may tonga.
I like this song. Wow.
Satlo si koi rusi nungai thokau si sahi gitang na fangjaba kumhaini. Satlo si koi rusi nungai thokau si sahi gitang na fangjaba kumhaini. Lakshage ay ko'y sunanata Kut ani kusham na dun na zomin na si.
Wow.
Ay ko'y suki talaga lakshage ko'y mukayana.
I remember this dance. Oh, that was very short, guys, but wow, I like this song. I like this song. Wow. That dance, guys, is what that's the Tabal Chongba. I know Tabal Chongba, guys, is a Manipur folk dance. So she told me also this kind of a dance. They dance this what's this? She told me that this kind of a dance, Tabal Chongba, guys, is a folk dance, traditional performed during that was the YAOSHANG festival. So correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, but this kind of information that came from my friends in Manipur. We are, chatting each other, so they're sharing their, you know, their traditional, you know, like this, a traditional festival, the people there, how many people there, and money for how many population, I mean, and how many state in India, same like that, same like that. So I just wanna thank all of you guys for this, for, you know, until the end of this video, you are there and supporting me. Okay guys, so before we end this reaction video, I just want to thank you, all of you guys, until now. You subscribe my channel, guys, and yeah, for those new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe again to my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So thank you guys, until the next reaction video, see you there, and I love you all. Bye.